I'll let me keep a track of score from my side also.
Venki, by the way, the name of your YouTube channel,
Cricket
Cricket
quizzes.
quiz.
Cricket Quizzes. Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine.
I'll share you
What?
the link once I've uploaded there.
Yeah, yeah.
So let me just make Ashu, Aryan. So we'll go in sequence, okay? So Ashu, Aryan, Rohan, and then Shankar sir, okay? As alphabetical, how we'll go. So during answering also, we'll go in the same sequence. So first, welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the first edition of Cricket Quizzes. So this quiz is divided into 3 rounds. Format wise, first format is T20s. Second format is uh, tests, and third format is ODS. So each round will have 10 questions. Correct answers with each will give you 10 runs. So we'll go in sequence. For example, the first question will go to Ashu. If Ashu is unable to answer, the question will go to Aryan, to Rohan, and then Shankar sir. So if none of four are able to answer, I'll give you a hint on the question. Okay? And based on that hint, again, Ashu will get a chance to answer. But now the value of the question will go down to 5 points, 5 runs. Fair enough? And if no one is answer, then 0, and we'll go to the next question. All clear?
Yeah.
Any confusion?
What is that last point?
The last point is you don't get to complain whether the question is bad or this is too tough or this is less tough. You are only supposed to say very good question, very good host, and everything. Okay, you don't get to complain. And if you say this good stuff, you might get some points, extra points. See, the host is very nice person, so he will give you some extra points. Okay.
We'll talk about that offline.
Why da? Why da?
So we are actually recording in no because I have the control also. I can also start recording if you want.
So bad. Yeah. I've clicked on record here, so it's already in recording. Aryan.
Oh, okay. Okay. I thought it will also start from my side, but yeah, since you are the host, so yeah, that's it.
You don't cheat. That is my only requirement from you today.
No, 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 not in terms of cricket. You ask me in exam, I'll say myself I'm guilty on some questions, but not in cricket.
So bad. Okay, let's just 1 second. Let me open the file from my side also. Okay, so let's. So rules are clear to everyone. Cool. Okay, SP. Let's go to question number. Let's go to round one. The round one is T20 cricket. All the questions will be from T20 cricket. Okay. Chalo, question number one. So first, Ashu will go. Which team has the lowest win percentage of all teams in IPL history?
Punjab.
Okay. Let's 1 second. let's go to the answer. It is Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings has 45%. So Ashu gets 10 points. Let's
अच्छा
go
नहीं
to
लगा
question
पर
number
चलो
two.
कोई बात नहीं सच निकला मेरे को था झूठ होगा पर सच निकला चलो कोई बात
Aryan, कोई बात नहीं. Aryan, तेरा पंजाब जीतेगा. So next question is to Aryan. Let's go to question number two. Which team has lost most matches on the last ball in IPL?
Okay, ये this is the accumulation of all the IPLs if I am correct.
Yes, yes.
Not the last 2 years.
No,
Last
no.
2 years, not the. Then it's okay. I have to think this one. Last ball matches.
1 second, guys. You answer.
Uh, then let's go with RCB. I would say.
Okay. Let's look at the answer.
ये क्या?
It's a wrong answer. Hey, guys,
Okay.
1 second. I'm unable
1
to
second. I have doubt. You said that question will be
Yeah.
passed.
That's yeah. I'll passed. So I'm just looking at. Okay, I'm just checking. Then we'll continue that from the next question, guys. No problems. Okay, so Aryan gets 0 points here.
Okay.
The next question goes to Rohan. Which player has appeared for most consecutive matches as a captain for T20 internationals for Ireland? The first difficult question.
Consecutive matches.
As a captain for
for
T20 internationals for Ireland.
Ireland.
Hmm.
Kevin O'Brien.
No, the answer is wrong. We'll pass on to the question to Shankar sir.
William Porterfield.
Correct.
Hmm.
That is the correct answer, William Porterfield. So Shankar sir gets 10 points. Let's go on to the next question, question number 4. What is the highest net run rate for India in a completed innings? This question goes back to Ashu. What is the highest net run rate that India had in a completed innings? It cannot be like a match when India was chasing and the match ended in 18 overs or 15 overs, but India batted 20 overs. And what was the highest net run rate India ever got? Aryan, I'm hoping you're not Googling.
No. See my answer here. No.
Ashu?
Is he passed?
No. This question is for you, Ashu.
No,
There
this
is a
was
right.
Yeah.
Shankar sir.
Shankar sir से तेरे पे
Shankar
आया
sir has
ना?
done the question. Now it's first to come back to you.
No. So is he?
No. Everyone has gotten the point. Now it's come back to you. The rotation completes. If it's passed, the rotation gets back to Ashu again.
Okay, is it for me? Okay.
Yeah, it is for you.
Highest run rate.
So you have to think which is the highest score that India has ever done. Which is the highest score India has set in T20 internationals. And when I say highest score in set, so India might have chased a higher score while chasing in lesser overs. But that will not count. You're batting first and India has set the
First
highest
inning,
score.
no?
First
First
innings.
inning.
Batted for 20 overs.
12 per over.
No.
Around 12.
Answer is wrong. The question goes to Aryan now. Aryan?
I will say 11.5. My random guess.
No. Answer is wrong. The question goes to Rohan.
So it's not necessarily should be 20 overs. Even if it's like a 10 over game, 12 over
No,
game.
it's a 20 over game. It's supposed to be 20 over game.
20 over game. Okay, so
Yes.
that will be 12 and a half.
No.
250.
The answer goes to Shankar sir. The question goes to Shankar sir now.
India scored, I think so, around 265. So around it must be around 13.1 or so.
13.1.
Yeah,
Okay.
1 or 2.
The
13.
answer. Let's look at the answer. It's actually 13
13.
for Sri Lanka. So you're very close, but you're not exact. So I'll give you 5 points. Okay. So again, Ashu, next question comes to you.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Which team has hit most sixes in an innings? I think this is a simpler one.
England.
Oh, Ashu, no. Come on, man. The answer is wrong. The question goes to Aryan.
West Indies.
No. The question goes to Rohan.
Afghanistan.
Correct. Afghanistan is the correct answer. Afghanistan has 22 sixes versus Ireland in Dehradun.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that Lucknow
Zazai
series.
had
Okay.
Yeah.
That
Zazai and their wicketkeeper batsman. They went crazy.
Shehzad.
Shehzad went crazy. Okay, the next one, I think it's a bit difficult one. It has happened in the history of cricket only once, T20 cricket. Who is the only player to dismiss
Who
for
is this
19 runs in a T20? This question is for Shankar
Who
sir.
is this person?
Shankar sir. Who is the only player to dismiss for 99 runs in a T20 international game?
Is it Ian Morgan?
No, the answer is wrong. The question goes to Ashu.
So you are saying hint can be asked now or after 4 of them are passed?
Now it started with Shankar sir. If Rohan is unable to answer, then I'll give the hint. So now it's with Ashu.
Keyswetter? Craig Keyswetter?
No, the answer is wrong. The question goes to Aryan.
Then may it be David Warner?
No, the answer is wrong. The question goes to Rohan.
Alex Hales.
Fantastic answer. Beautiful answer. The answer is
West
correct. Answer
Indies.
is Alex Hales. Was dismissed for 91 runs against West Indies at Nottingham 2012.
Oh, no, no.
Was his
Fantastic
partner
answer,
Craig
Rohan.
Keyswetter?
Beautiful.
Was his partner Craig Keyswetter that time?
I don't know. I don't remember. But
Bold
what a
was,
beautiful answer, guys. And a sick Rohan is leading. Come on.
He's sick by health, not by mind.
Let's go to question number 7. Which Indian batsman has highest number of half centuries for India behind Rohit and Virat? Rohit is of course number 1. Virat is number 2. Who is that number 3? That is the question.
So this question is for whom?
This question is for Shankar sir.
Yes, number of half centuries for India. Is it KL Rao?
It is KL Rahul. The correct answer is KL Rahul. KL Rahul has hit 18 half centuries in 52 innings. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Which player has bowled most balls in T20 internationals? This question is for Ashu.
Bold in the
Which
sense.
Delivered, most ball delivered, not wicket bowled, which has delivered most balls. Think in terms of length of the careers and everything. And of course, the number of matches also they played matters here. Could not just be a long career. Which player has bowled the most number of deliveries in T20 international cricket?
Sunil Narayan?
No, the answer is wrong. The question goes to Aryan.
Lasith Malinga?
Close, but Lasith Malinga is in the top 3, but not the number 1. So the question goes to Rohan.
Shahid Afridi.
Fantastic, beautiful answer. Shahid Afridi is the correct answer. Shahid Afridi has bowled 2,168 balls. My goodness, I think this is going to be a one-sided affair, it seems. So the next question will be for Shankar sir. Okay, now this is a trivia question. Who is the only player to be retired out in a T20 international game?
Retired out.
Yes.
Timed out.
No, retired out. Retired out is when a batsman retires, but without the consent of the umpire. He just walked off. Like it did not say that I am retired. An international game, you're supposed to have the consent of the umpire, and you have to go off.
It is someone who's very angry. That's one thing I can tell.
Could be. I don't know the exact reason, but yeah, it could be.
Ahmed
So currently
Shehzad?
it's with Shankar sir.
Ahmed Shehzad?
No, it is not Ahmed Shehzad. The question goes back to Ashu.
Is it Kyron Pollard?
No. Very, very possible answer. Very possible personality, but no. The question goes to Aryan. It is a difficult question. I agree to this. It is a difficult
but
question.
let me just on the clock. Ricky Ponting.
No. So the question goes to Rohan. After this, I'll provide a hint.
Andre Russell.
No. So the hint is you guys are all thinking about the big nations. No international player from big nations will do it. Might end up their career, obviously. This is from, of course, a associate nation, but not even getting that much thing. So this happened between from player from a country. That country is neighboring to India. That is your hint.
Oh,
Neighboring countries is an associate nation, cricket nation, and this player is from that nation. Of course, the knowledge will be there. If you can, I'll give you the points. If you can even identify the country, from which country this player was from.
whose turn is
The
it?
currently is with Shankar sir. It's with Shankar sir.
Is he from UAE?
No, it's not from UAE. It goes to Ashu. It's a neighboring country to India. That's your hint.
I remember Karan Pollard going out against Bangladesh. He himself
But he came back.
walked out.
See, if he has come back and everyone has agreed to it, then it is not retired out.
Yeah.
Okay, so
It is in recorded history a retired out.
yeah, okay.
No, I don't have idea.
Okay, Aryan?
Is the country Nepal by any chance?
No, the country is not Nepal.
Okay.
So I was thinking Nepal. Which else? Thailand.
No. And with that, we are ending. Everyone has got a chance. The country is Bhutan. Let's go look at the answer. The player is Sonam Tobke from Bhutan versus Maldives at Kirtipur in 2019.
Oh,
We didn't even know Bhutan had an international team, to be honest.
yeah.
I didn't
So
even
it
know
is-
Maldives had it.
So this is a difficult question. Let's go to the last question of the round. Question
A
number 10.
host is very good, huh?
Who, me, huh?
Yeah.
Rohan, I would have given you points if not that you are the leading. So it is very difficult to give points to the leading player
Which bowler has bowled most middles in his career?
in career for Sri Lanka.
Who, for whom this question?
This question is again for Shankar sir. Rohan had the last go. Yeah.
Is it Lasith Malinga?
No, it is not Lasith Malinga. Question goes to Ashu.
Kulasekara?
Correct. The correct answer is no one
Yeah.
Kulasekara. Kulasekara has 6 maidens. So we have come to the end of round 1.
I need to thank Shankar sir for that. I was having confusion between Malinga and Kulasekara.
So this is the beauty. Like that's why I kept this system in this way. It goes on rotation. So even if someone answers, you get your odd man outs. Okay. Let's move on to round 2.
Scores after round.
Yeah,
one.
I'll update. I'm just not sure. Did I add a bonus question or what here? Let's go to the next slide, SP. Okay. Before we go ahead to the first question, let me quickly update the scores. Ashu is currently, after round 1, Ashu is at 20 points. Aryan is at a glorious 0 points. Rohan
Yay.
is at 30 points. Shankar Sir is at 25 points. So very close between Ashu, Shankar and Rohan. The difference of only 5 points between them. Come on.
Yeah.
Rohan, the next round, Aryan, the next round is test cricket. So maybe you can come back. Okay. So let's go to question number 1 from test cricket. Who is the youngest player to hit test century?
To whom this question?
This question, the last answer, I said
Aryan.
you answered, right, Ashu? So it goes to Aryan. Who is the youngest player to hit a test century?
Okay, if I'm from India. Okay, wait. I don't have that much information on the age thing, and I've like heard.
Think about youngest players who debuted.
Yeah.
Rohan is smiling. He knows the answer.
No,
One
no.
will smile in everything, it seems.
See, generally youngest will come from Asia only.
Very true.
You are giving hints for 5 point, no?
No, I did not
Is
give. It
it,
was Rohan. And Rohan
is
gave
it
hints
by any
benefiting
chance?
others.
Is it by any chance Mohammad Ashraful from Bangladesh?
It is
Yes.
Mohammad Ashraful from Bangladesh. Beautiful answer.
Yeah.
So for some reason I have a doubt whether Aryan cheated or not, but I'll give that point to Aryan.
The earlier
भाई
record
इतना
was
इतना सोचने के बाद भी अगर चीटिंग करी तो मैं चले फायदा नहीं है मेरा.
It was
Venki, the
Beautiful,
earlier,
but beautiful answer.
Mushtaq Ahmad, right? Before to that.
earlier record was Hassan Raza, I suppose.
Hassan Raza was
No,
the
no,
earlier
no.
record.
No,
Huh?
Mushtaq Mohammed, right?
Hassan
No,
Raza.
I think
Hassan
it is
Raza
Hassan
didn't score
Raza,
on
but currently it is
Hassan Raza
Mohammad
was the
Ashraful. That is
youngest player
important
to
for the
play.
quiz.
Hassan Raza, I think he was the youngest to play. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
debut
but he was
for-
not the youngest to hit a century.
He didn't hit
Youngest to
100.
hit a century is Ashraful.
Oh, he didn't
By
hit
the way,
100.
Hassan
Okay.
Raza has been mentioned in the Indian movie Chain Kuli Ki Main Kuli, so that is where you can get that trivia from.
Let's not talk about
Unbelievable.
Pakistani age.
Oh,
Well, there is a beautiful question coming up on that topic also. Let's move on to question number 2. The question is for Rohan. Who are the three players which represented other countries in tests along with India? There are 3 such players who have represented India and another country. Who are these 3 players?
There is Mansur Ali Khan Patodi's dad, Iftikhar Ali Patodi.
Iftikhar Ali Khan Patodi, Nawab Patodi Senior.
Yes,
Yes.
now Patodi Senior. There is Abdul Khaidar, who played for India
Abdul
and Pakistan.
Kardar. Yes.
Kardar.
Yeah.
One more. Again, same India Pakistan only. It should be
Yes.
the partition and before.
Mm-hmm.
What's his name? I forgot the name.
ये इसको यार 3 के पॉइंट दे दो यार. इसने 2 बता दिए, वही बहुत है.
हाँ, but तीसरा बता तो तुमको भी points मिल सकता है if Aryan is not able to. Aryan, I'll give definitely give Aryan points, Rohan points. But if others are able to answer the third one,
I'm not able to recall the name here. I know it. It's on my tip of my tongue. I can't say it.
okay. The question goes to Shankar sir.
Is it Mohammad Nisar?
Mohammad what?
I didn't play.
Mohammad Nisar.
No,
Nisar
Mohammad Nisar. No. Aryan. The question goes to Ashu now.
I'm not sure. Gul Mohammed.
Perfect. The Gul Mohammad is the correct
Yes,
answer.
Gul Mohammed.
So I'll give maybe 8 points to Rohan and 3 points to Ashu for this question.
वो एक क्वेश्चन 11 पॉइंट का है इसमें, इस राउंड में.
नहीं, मैं अपना उस पे दे रहा हूँ अभी.
Oh,
1/3 को मैं 3 को
Host is the best.
दूंगा आशु को मैं. But
Can't
Rohan
question
gave
the
2
host.
answers, so ऐसा extra 1 point उसको.
You don't question the host.
Yeah.
The problem is Aryan
We
just
can
only has
offline.
10 points. I cannot deduct also from him.
नहीं, मैंने तो
बहुत
रूल
अजीब हो
पूछा है कि भाई
हाँ.
एक क्वेश्चन कितने पॉइंट का है. मैंने
हाँ, मतलब यार थोड़ा it was a difficult question, so थोड़ा I also go a bit. Okay, let's go to question number 3. This is for all the international test cricket fans. In which year was the first Ashes played? I mean, it overlapped between 2 years. Either one is okay for me.
Okay. I will.
So now
confused
currently
with-
this question will be to Aryan.
I'm confused between numbers here. I really am. 2 years you said. I know it's.
Anyone is fine. You just pick a year.
I might be wrong as well.
Highly possible based on your performance.
Yeah. 1864. I'm really, not.
No, 1864 is the wrong answer. The question goes to Rohan.
I'd say 1880 sometimes.
1880. You're going for 1880.
Yeah.
Okay, 1880 is wrong answer. Question goes to Shankar sir.
1877.
No, 1877 is the wrong answer. Ashu, you are the last one.
Since you paused on 1880 on
Okay.
Rohan's thought, let me come back to. So, is it around 1882 or 3? 82.
Fantastic, beautiful answer. I gave a unintentional hint there because I first because he said 1880s. That's why I was confirming that whether what is he saying. I did not want to give a hint there. But beautiful answer, Ashu. It is 1882, 1883. That's when the first
Centenary?
Ashes were played.
Yeah,
So
Centenary.
this is
Test
really
also
tough
played
ones,
in
man. Who will remember the years? This is
Yeah, I thought this will be easy because people remember these things. Like Ashes, like is a huge series now.
I was thinking
Okay.
19s, 19s.
We didn't remember this one because this Ashes has been very one-sided, so we forgot about this. याद करके तो क्या ही रखेंगे?
The only Michael Vaughan seems to be happy about everything that is going in there. He's happy that India is losing.
Yeah.
Okay, the next question is more like your knowledge basis. Let's go to question number 4. The question will be for Aryan. In how many ways can a batter get out in cricket? For that
Yeah,
matter,
thoda-
cricket.
So you should say number or all the ways.
You have to tell me the number first.
Yeah.
Aryan, give me the number of ways a batter can get out.
हाँ.
And for your own, correct. And if you don't want the others to get right, maybe you should count.
मैं वही कर रहा हूँ, वही कर रहा हूँ.
Look at Aryan.
8. मैंने 8 गिने हैं तो मैं 8 बोल रहा हूँ.
Acha, ठीक है. Answer 8 is a wrong answer. The question goes to Rohan.
I think 11.
Fantastic. 11 is the correct answer. I'll
15 और
give
मैं
you
भूल गया.
I'll give you 5 extra points if you can name all the 11.
Cotton bowled, hit wicket, run out, stumped, handled the ball, obstructing the field, timed out. और क्या बचा?
You gave 9.
अभी तो
2 more.
I don't even remember what all I told.
You can try again for 5 extra points.
Hit
Let's start
wicket.
from the. So let's start from the start. So we have a proper count. You said hit wicket.
I'll start. Caught and bowled, run out.
Caught and bowled and caught is 1.
हाँ, वही तो.
It is caught fine in the end.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it is caught in the end.
Yeah, yeah.
You have been dismissed as caught, but caught and bowled
हाँ,
by a
पर-
bowler. That's
पर
why it comes
the
as
only
caught and bowled.
difference is कि bowler ने catch पकड़ा है.
That
हुआ
is
तो
only
catch
difference.
ही है.
But it is caught.
हाँ.
It is caught.
Okay,
वो
bowled.
scorebook में ऐसे जाएगा
Bowled.
ना? Because bowler को you have to give the credit to the bowler कि उसने catch पकड़ा.
Yeah. Got it.
So
Stumped,
caught and bowled 2, stump 3,
run out,
4.
4,
hit wicket,
5,
obstructing the field,
6,
timed out.
7,
What else is there? Stumped, I told.
yeah,
Okay. Handle the ball.
8, 3 more,
Work on it. LBW.
9.
Uh,
There are 2
I
more.
will give. One is Rohan. The question was asked in the quiz itself.
I don't mind. It is not quite going properly.
You are anyway getting 10 points. This is for the extra 5 points.
अरे bonus नहीं चाहिए यार.
हम तीनों में बांट दें.
Acha, ठीक
हम
है.
तीनों
If
में
you
बांट
don't
दें
want to
5
bonus, we'll go to Shankar sir. Shankar sir, if you can answer the remaining 2, you get extra 5 points.
Man-cutting.
Man cutting it's
No,
again
no.
run out. It's a run out. They just gave a term to it for man cut, but it is still run out. There are 2 more ways a batsman can get out.
Okay.
ball.
You want to try another one,
हाँ.
Shankar sir, or I'll go to Ashu.
Hit the ball twice.
Hit the ball twice is 1, but you lost. You gave answer to Ashu now. You
Oh,
lost
okay.
your chance. So Ashu, your turn.
Retired out. Retired out.
And
And the one Rohan said, hit the ball twice.
you have to answer. You just said it. Come on. It is hit the ball twice. So
Yeah.
Ashu gets 5 points. Ashu, you lucky guy.
I told him. The question was asked in the quiz
ये
itself.
भाई
was the- it
अगली
was
बार
the
पहला
retired
टर्न
out.
मेरा होगा. जिसकी पहली टर्न
Okay.
होती है ना, आंसर उसको आ जाता है.
Ah.
Hmm.
Like, that is why this format is good. Like it eliminates the other ones. Okay. Now
Even
the question
Ash
comes back
is
to
similar.
Aryan. Huh?
Ashwin's quiz also is similar format.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's look at the answers. Let's look
But
at
there
the
is
answer as
no
well.
limit, man. इतना टाइम नहीं देता जितना तुम दे रहे हो.
हाँ बट अपना क्या है, वी आर डूइंग आवर फन ना. मेरे को सिर्फ आर्यन का डाउट लग रहा है, आर्यन का हाथ मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, आर्यन इज वेरी मच लाइक दिस, तो मेरे को ऐसा थोड़ा डाउट होता है आर्यन से. आर्यन बहुत ऑफेंड हो जाएगा लग रहा है. Okay, so these are the 11 ways: boat, called, LBW, stumped, run out, hit wicket, hit the ball twice, handled the ball, obstructing the field, retired out, and timed out. These are the 11 ways a batsman can get out. The next question, question number 5, is based on one of these methods. Who are the only 2 players in Test history to be given as retired out in Test history?
Question is for
Retired as in
This
hurt,
question,
right?
Ashu gave the last answer. It will be for Aryan.
Retired hurt, you mean by
No,
this?
not retired hurt. Retired hurt is when they give the umpire, okay, I am hurt, I won't be able to bat anymore, so I am
ये
going out.
चलेगा, अपने आप चलेगा, like they
ये
went
अपने आप walk off हो गए
on their own.
without the consent of the umpire.
Sunil Gavaskar and Arjuna Ranatunga.
No, the answer is wrong. The question goes to Rohan.
One of them is Gordon Greenidge.
No, one of them is not Gordon Greenidge.
Is it me?
No idea.
Currently the question will be with Shankar sir.
Shankar sir.
Anshuman Gaikwad and Rick Darling of Australia.
No, they are not.
Are
Ashu,
they from? Okay.
you'll have to answer first, then I'll give the hint.
Okay. So
You are the 4th one.
Jayasuriya and Atapattu.
No, the answer is wrong. I'll give you a hint. They are from, the hint is they're from Sri Lanka.
So Jayasuriya and Atapattu, they are not.
You gave one answer correct. It is Attapattu. Who is the other guy? So it is with Aryan now. Aryan,
So the other guy from Sri Lanka, right? One is
other guy
Atapattu.
from Sri Lanka.
Is it Arvinder De Silva? By any
No,
chance?
it is not Arvinder De Silva. Rohan, who is the second guy? One is Marwan Attapattu. Who's the second guy?
Prashant Tilakratna.
No, it is not Tilakratna. The question goes to Shankar sir.
Sanka Gurusingha.
No, I think that is all. Ashu, we come back to you last. If you're able to name the last, you will get the points.
Jayawardene.
It is Jayawardene. It is Mahila Jayawardene. Let's look at the answer.
But
Question
I
number 5.
think Atapattu was.
Attapattu was.
Sorry,
See, the thing
Sanat
is,
Jayasuriya
this was a very controversial game in 2001. What happened is Bangladesh team was very mediocre. Attapattu scored a double century, Mahila Jayawardene scored 150, and they both walked off. For the rest of the players, okay, now you come and bat. They did not declare themselves as out or retired hurt or anything to the umpire. And it created a huge controversy in the international sports at that time regarding the spirit of the game and the questioning the sportsmanship and everything. Gordon Greenidge, I think, Rohan, there was one another case for Gordon Greenidge. I remember. If it's not, it is Greenidge or
I think
Eames,
that's
I don't
retired,
remember,
not out.
No, that is retired, not out. The reason is he went off without the
His-
consent. His daughter was not well.
I remember his daughter. Yeah.
His daughter was not well. So after this entire thing, they updated it to be retired, not out.
Yeah.
It was originally retired out, but they updated to retired, not out because of the situation. It was not like he was not in the spirit of the game. He had some other issues. Simple. Okay. Next one is a point which we covered before. Who is the youngest? Let's go to question number 6. Who is the youngest captain in the Test history?
Youngest captain. In
Now
Test
this question will be with Aryan, as Ashu answered the last one.
Youngest captain. Yeah. The problem is he can be from any country.
He can be from any country.
Yeah, not specific, but youngest captain.
Youngest captain.
The
in
youngest.
Test history.
Youngest captain in Test history. No. Is it Steve Waugh? I really don't have idea about.
No, it is not Steve Waugh. The question goes to Rohan.
Tatenda Taibo.
No, it is not Tatenda Taibo. The question goes to Shankar sir.
Arre, yeah.
Shankar sir,
Is it-
the question is with you.
Is it Lee Jamon of New Zealand?
No, it is not. The question goes to Ashu.
Patodi, Mansur Ali Khan Patodi.
No, it is not Patodi. Now
No,
I'll
that
give
is
you
the
a hint.
first answer came to my mind also.
Yeah. So all four of you have not able to. The hint is this person became a captain in 2019.
Huh.
Oh,
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
2 years
Yeah.
back.
Now it will is Aryan. Aryan's turn. The question is for 5
2
marks.
years
Now.
back. Oh, Rashid Khan.
Yes, it is Rashid Khan.
Ah.
Arre,
Very
answer
controversial youngest captain, but it is Rashid Khan. Apparently, he was 20 years, 350 days old.
So, I thought Taibu was right. Taibu was in ODI.
See, Taibu might be also right. But my point is, apparently, Rashid Khan was 20 years old, 350 days when he took captaincy. Now, what is Rashid Khan's actual age? God knows. But by records, by official records, Rashid Khan is the youngest captain. Taibu, I think, was number 2. I was now second in the list. Tatanda Taibu. Okay, let's go to question number 7. Okay, so this is an interesting question. Let me be very clear on the question. Who has scored the most runs in a test match? Not an
2
innings.
innings combined. 2 innings
Two innings combined.
Oh.
Who has scored
Graham
the most
Gooch.
runs in a test match? The question was with
Rohan.
Me. Graham Gooch.
Ashu answered the last question, right?
No, I answered
You
Rashid
answered.
Khan.
Aryan
Yeah. So
answered.
it is with Rohan. It is with Rohan. What is the answer?
Graham Gooch.
Beautiful answer. It is Graham Gooch. Let's have the
याद
answer.
मत
Who
दिलाओ
scored
यार, ये क्यों
333
पूछा?
and 123. I thought this will be difficult, but Rohan is like, no.
How can we forget this year?
See, I vetted this quiz with other people also. Everyone got stuck
That
with
innings is
Lara's
a
400.
nightmare for us. We won the toss, gave them to bat. They smashed us for 2 days. Then Kapil Dev came and somehow managed to avoid the follow on. Still we lost. More dropped him at 20 or 30. I think Shankar sir may remember that innings.
Yeah, More dropped it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to question number 8. This question is for Shankar sir. Which South African player has scored most runs in an over in Test cricket? Most runs in an over in a Test match. It is with Shankar sir.
Most runs in an over in this match. Is it Jack Ellis?
No, it is not Jack Ellis. The question goes to Ashu.
AB.
No, it is not AB de Villiers. The question goes to Aryan.
Okay. Graham Pollock.
No, it is not Graham Pollock. The question goes to Rohan.
Is it Herschel Gibbs?
No, it is not Herschel Gibbs. Now I'll give you a hint. The player we are talking about is a bowler. The question goes back to Shankar sir.
Bowler.
It's a bowler who holds this record.
So, recently or
Bowler or
It is
all-rounder?
recently. I think it's
I got it.
about how do you look at a player whether it's not designated all rounder in the team. It is done recently, and it's a bowler. So that is your hint. 5 marks.
can I? I got it.
No, it is with Shankar sir as of now. If Shankar sir unable to, then you are done.
Thanks to the hint, by the way.
Eh,
I might be wrong, but that will be pura
Fair
idiot
enough.
of
You
Fatima,
can
but
give a
okay.
try. You might eliminate the odds for Rohan and Aryan also.
Yeah.
Shankar sir, your answer.
Keshav Maharaj?
Yes.
Keshav Maharaj is the correct answer. The guy
Oh,
scored
the recently
8
thing.
runs. Yeah.
Arey yaar.
Let's go to the answer. Let's look at the answer. It is Keshav Maharaj with 28 runs versus Joe Root. Shankar sir get 5 points for this. And I think he hit 3 sixes and he hit
Mhm.
the rest 4s and a 2 or something. It was like that.
Huh.
But very unexpected name in the list.
Yeah, yeah.
Everyone thinks about all the big guns and the Gibbs and
No,
the
no.
Pollocks and the
Basically,
Bouchers.
when we hear runs, we talk about the batsman or
Batsman.
not a pure bowler, na.
So like I
Maharaj
don't
is
even
not-
know. I don't think Keshav Maharaj is also even considered as a all-rounder in the South African setup.
No, but yeah, if he
Night
he
watch.
needs a bit of
But
development,
he is a night watch.
if he can just
Night watch.
make his batting good, he can be all rounder, good all
He's a
rounder.
decent bat, but you don't.
Yeah.
He's not
definitely
rated
don't
highly,
expect
though.
him 28 runs.
Proper night watchman.
Yeah, proper night watchman, and he's hit this runs against England's top 10 all-rounder,
Joe Root, yeah.
Joe Root.
Ben Stokes.
Okay. Let's go to question number 9. This question will be for Ashu. Which player has faced most balls in an inning in all of history? Faced most balls in an inning in all of Test history. Think about all the.
I know. I
steely
think
players.
I'm getting there. It's slightly.
Wait.
not that-
It's with Ashu. If he's unable to, then you'll
Maybe.
get your chance.
Maybe it is that.
Control. Aryan, see, if you blabber and Ashu gives the same answer, have to give the points to Ashu.
Oh yeah.
Ashu has benefited once from that.
Mahela?
No, it is not Mahela. The question goes to Aryan now. Your turn.
Okay. Hashim Amla.
No, it is not Hashim Amla. The
Oh.
question goes to Rohan.
Hanif Mohammad.
No, it is not Hanif Mohammad. The question goes to Shankar sir. After this, I'll
Mudassar
provide a
Na-
hint.
Mudassar Nazar.
No, it is not Nazar. You have to think in terms in the early 90s. I mean,
Oh, okay.
early 1900s. I mean,
Okay.
early 1900s. Not early 90s, early 1900s. It's a big name. Ashu?
It is Hutton. I'm not sure.
Leonard Hutton is the correct answer.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to
I-
add the
I
number.
don't-
But it is Leonard Hutton.
Okay.
So Ashu gets 5 points for this question.
Hal-
Let's go to
you
question
should
number
give
10.
the clue first itself, man. अगर ये 90s का है ना, clue पहले दे दिया करो.
ए ऐसा नहीं यार. Nothing. What if I tell who has the highest batting average in Test cricket?
अच्छा, इसने
Do you
कितने
want a
बॉल
clue
खेला?
for that?
नहीं कितना बॉल खेला इसने?
I think it was above 600 or something. I forgot the exact number, but I'll put it in the group later on. Let's go to question number 10. Who has the best bowling figures in an innings for Pakistan? In an innings for Pakistan. It cannot be 22 innings, one. So, which bowler has the best bowling figures in an innings for Pakistan?
One innings of a test match or two innings?
One inning of a test match. The question is with Aryan now.
Yeah. Danish Kanaria.
No, it is of course, dude. Come on, of all the players from Pakistan cricket, you chose Danish Kanaria for the best bowling figures.
No, still I was thinking.
It will. The question will now go to Rohan.
Sikandar Bakht.
No, it is not Sikandar. The question goes to Shankar sir.
Sarfaraz Nawaz.
No, it is not Sarfraz Nawaz. The question goes to Ashu.
Wasim Akram.
No, it is not Wasim Akram. Okay, the hint that I'll give you guys is he's famous for one of his events on the ground with the so-called god of cricket.
हाँ.
The question is with Aryan now.
Oh, god of cricket. Shoaib Akhtar.
No, it is not Shoaib Akhtar. Rohan.
Abdul Qadir.
It is Abdul Qadir.
Oh, Abdul Qadir.
The correct answer is Abdul Qadir. Abdul Qadir got 9 for 56 at an economy rate of 1.51 versus England in
20
the
seconds.
87.
England, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sarfaraz took 9 for 82 versus Australia.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
He was
Yes, yes.
close, but it was
The
Abdul
famous
Qadir.
reverse
The runs. Shankar sir is very close to most of the answers, but is missing out on the number ones.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the next question is a bonus question that I added. I thought, okay, after round 2, maybe I can add some bonus questions. Who was the first black man to play cricket? I want a name, that's all.
90s,
With the
80s?
recent all the things that is happening with racism, I just thought, okay, let me add one
This is
question.
racist question.
Yes.
It is a question that ended racism in cricket.
Report
I
kar
had
denge
to put
page
it that
pe.
way. There is no other way to put it. He was the reason. He was the first black man to play international cricket. So it has to be put that way. I thought about it, but I cannot be political in that point. The question is right now with Shankar sir.
Basil de Oliveira.
No, I think he came later.
No.
It is not the correct answer. By the way, this question is for 20 points. If you get it, you get 20 points. Ashu.
I think I know that name, but I don't know full name. I know
Give me the name.
second. Butcher.
No, it was not Butcher. Aryan.
Well, seeing this question for the first time, so I have no idea. Pass.
Okay, Rohan for 20
Is
points.
it George Headley?
No, it is not George Headley. Okay, so I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint, and the question will still remain for 20 points. I'll not reduce points for this question. The hint is he was a black man who did not play for the so-called black nations of South Africa or West Indies for that matter. He played for Australia first, and after that, one black lineage have played for Australia. So you have to tell me who was the first guy. Wait. Currently the question will be with Shankar sir.
He played for Australia.
He played for Australia. And please don't start with on the years and all. It is of course old.
Yeah.
Someone named Foster.
No, it is not Foster.
Foster.
Ashu, now it's your turn.
Is it Sam Morris?
It is Sam Morris. Sam Morris was the first black man to play for Australia. And who do you guys know who is the second black man? Who's the other black man who play for Australia?
Basil. I think Shankar sir told. Basil de Oliveira.
No, it is Andrew Simons.
No, he's from South Africa.
Andrew Simons.
Oh,
It is Andrew Simons.
Okay.
So okay, after this is the end of round 2. So let's look at the points after. So in round 2, Ashu has scored a total of 53 points.
3 कैसे आया?
वो मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा देता ना गुल मोहम्मद का. You got 3 points.
अच्छा.
Aryan has scored a total of 15 points in round 2. Rohan has scored a total of 33 points. So Ashu is leading for after round 2, and Shankar sir has a total of 5 points in round 2. So after end of round 2, we have Ashu. The total point is 73. Aryan has a total of grand 15.
Yes. Thank you.
Rohan is at 63. Very close, 10 points behind. And Shankar sir is at 30. Okay, the next round is ODIs. So I think we will be more comfortable with ODI cricket. So here's the chance. Shankar sir, Aryan, okay, this is the last round. Let's go to question number 1. Which player has the most run in an innings as captain? Most run in an innings as a captain.
ODIs.
In ODIs.
किसको है question?
This question, the last question was answered by Ashu, you only, Sam. So it will go to Aryan.
Is it like old?
Of course, we are talking about most runs in innings, so you have to think highest runs, but as a captain. Don't just go for, say, Rohit Sharma for 264.
No.
No, I'm just explaining the question as a captain.
Don't you know, right?
Um, um, is it Ricky Ponting?
No,
But
it is not Ricky Ponting. The question goes to Rohan now.
Virendra Sehwag.
It is
209.
Virender Sehwag. The correct
Oh.
answer is Virender Sehwag. Scored
Indore
219
शायद
runs as a
Indore
West
या
Indies in
ग्वालियर
2011.
Indore
I think it was Indore.
Sachin at Gwalior.
Sachin at Gwalior.
yeah
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go to question number 2. Which player has most runs in his international career without a century in ODIs? The question is with Shankar sir. He scored most runs, a lot of runs he has scored, but without a century in his entire career. Shankar sir, the question is with you.
Is it Michael Bevan?
No, it is not Michael Bevan. The question goes to Ashu.
Misbah-ul Haq.
It is Misbah-ul Haq. Let's go to that. It's Misbah-ul Haq scored 5,122 runs, the highest score of 96 not out. Okay, let's go to question number 3. Which player has most ducks in their international career?
Afridi.
1 second. Currently, the question will be Aryan. But Aryan, right? Oh shit! I don't have the slide with me to give you the hint. Also, let me just find out.
Ducks.
Damn.
यार ये तो bowler भी हो सकता है ना?
Yes, it can be a bowler also. So, guys, just bear with me. I don't have the hints with me. So, let me find out the hints.
Most ducks. दिमाग में तो एक ही नाम आ रहा है.
So, Aryan, you get a benefit by the time I find. Most ducks in his international career.
ODI cricket, right? ODI
It's in
international
ODI cricket. In ODI cricket, most ducks as a player. So, what is your answer, Aryan? I have the player now. I have the answer. So, I can give you a hint.
So is it Shahid Afridi?
No, it is not Shahid Afridi. The question goes to Rohan.
Jayasuriya.
It is Sanat Jayasuriya. The correct answer, it is Sanat Jayasuriya. The guy has 34 ducks.
Afridi, I think 30 या कुछ 28 है.
Afridi is second at 30. Good guess, Aryan, but Afridi was second. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 4. Which Indian female player has best bowling figures in ODI cricket and how much? This might be a bit difficult considering ODI cricket, but if you're able to give me the name, great. If you are able to give me the figures also, I'll give you maybe extra points. So the question is now with Rohan gave the last answer, right? So it is with Shankar sir. Which Indian female bowler has the best bowling figures in ODI cricket?
Is it Poonam Yadav?
No, it is not Poonam Yadav. The question goes to Ashu.
Is it from the past?
Not that past also.
Mamta? I don't know her full name. Mamta.
1 second.
Mamta some MM.
Correct. That is the correct answer. Let's go look at the answer. It is Mamta Maben for against Sri Lanka women, not 2004. So Ashu gets 10 points. Fantastic, beautiful answer, Ashu.
I was thinking Poonam Yadav. I think she took a 6 for or 5 for.
But I think the second best is not Poonam, it is Deepthi. It is Deepthi Sharma. Deepthi Sharma is the second best. And I think after that it is Jhulan Goswami.
Okay.
Poonam Yadav is. I think Poonam Yadav took in 5 wicket hauls, not in 6.
I think she took in T20Is.
Possibly, but not in ODIs.
Okay.
So in 6, Mamta Maben is number 1. After that, we have Deepthi Sharma at 6. Then we have Jhulan Goswami. Deepthi Sharma took 6 for 20 and Jhulan took 6 for 31. So that is the breakup. Okay, let's go to have given points to Ashu. Yes. Okay, let's go to question number 5. Which player has hit most consecutive centuries in ODI cricket and how many?
Sangakkara, Bird.
Who gave the last answer? Ashu. So it
Yeah.
is with Aryan. Yes, it is Sangakkara. The correct answer is Sangakkara, 4 centuries in 2015 World Cup. This was a confusing question considering what Rohit Sharma did. I had to go and properly verify. He had some non-century hits in between
बीच में
in the
गैप था ना
2019
इसका?
World Cup.
एक या दो था
हाँ, दो था. And in like the thing is in either of the matches, one match Dhawan had hit, one match Kohli had hit a century. So we forget that. So it comes in that way. Okay, so Aryan gets 10 points. Let's go to Rohan for the next question. Question number 6 for Rohan. Which player has the most runs in a debut match? Most runs in debut match.
ODI debut, right?
ODI debut match. Most runs in a ODI debut match. Question is with Rohan.
Is it Haynes? Desmond Haynes.
It is Desmond Haynes. Desmond Haynes is the correct answer. Scored 148 runs versus Australia in 1978.
77.
Yes. Let's go to question number 7 for Shankar sir. Which player has hit the most runs in a calendar year? Most runs in a proper calendar year, Jan to December.
Virat Kohli.
The correct answer is it is
There is
wrong.
no passing.
That it is passing. The next answer question goes to Ashutosh.
Tendulkar.
It is Sachin Tendulkar.
90%
Virat
ODI
Kohli
records.
actually is not even in the top 10 for some reason. I don't know how. Sachin
He
scored
scored
80, 94
only
and 98.
like 1 year. He got 1 year, 16 year, 17. So that
Virat
is
Kohli got 1460 runs. That is his best in a year in 2017. But the top 10 is Tendulkar, Ganguly, Dravid, again Tendulkar, Hayden, Saeed Anwar, Ganguly, Rohit Sharma, Guptill and Waugh. Then comes Gary Kirsten, then Virat Kohli at number 12.
The number of matches used to be more those days.
More this. Yeah.
That is also true. But on
But
the
those
other hand,
runs
if
are
I
also
see,
humongous, man. 1894.
the
Almost
average is
15.
65 runs. Sachin scored at an average of 65 at a strike rate of 100. Virat Kohli's best is at a strike rate of 76, a strike rate of 99. So both are par if you are comparing average and strike rate, if you consider that.
Sharjah
But
comes into this,
possible.
right? In 1998.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sharjah comes into this.
Desert
Sharjah comes
Storm.
into this. Like that's why I thought, because there are a lot of players like Hayden and Gilchrist used to hit a lot of runs at that time. They were no less persons when it comes to strike rate and averages also. They were very dangerous. I thought this will be difficult, but it is very difficult to set a question in ODI cricket about stats where Sachin is not at the top. So it is very difficult for in that matter. So Ashu gets 10 points. Next, let's go to the next question. This will be for Aryan. Who was the first Indian player to get out at 99 runs? Question is with Aryan.
99.
First Indian player to get out at 99. We know Tendulkar has gotten a lot at 99. But who was the first guy? Think in terms of ODI cricket when it started also. Not just big names.
Is it Azharuddin?
No, it is not. Dude, Azharuddin 90s. ODI started in 70s. What are you doing? It is not Azharuddin. The question goes to Rohan.
Jimmy Amarnath.
No, it is not Jimmy Amarnath. The question goes to Shankar sir.
Is it Brijesh Patel?
No, it is not Brijesh Patel. The question goes to
Is
Ashu.
it Krishnamachari Srikanth?
It is Krishnamachari Srikanth. The correct answer is Krishnamachari Srikanth. Let's look
But
at the
he's
answer.
not
Scored
the
9.
first. But
He was
I
the
think
first
he's-
player. No, first Indian
no.
player. He's the first
Okay.
Indian player to get out at 99. That was clear in the question, right? Yeah.
Sita.
He was the first Indian player to get out at 99 runs. So Ashu gets 10 points for that. Okay, let's go to question number 9. Which wicket keeper has taken most dismissals in a series? Now, this series can be anything. Even a World Cup will be considered a series, a bilateral series, or there used to be three-team series. So all this is considered in it.
Huh.
So which wicket keeper has the most dismissals in a series? That is the question.
Okay. Uh, is it Adam Gilchrist?
One second, Aryan, don't give your answer.
Okay.
Yes, go with your answer.
Okay. Adam Gilchrist.
Yeah, I got a wrong stat. Let me just to verify. I don't have the slides with me for this one. I just uploaded. The correct answer. Your answer was Aryan. What was your answer?
Adam Gilchrist.
It is Adam Gilchrist. Adam Gilchrist is the correct answer. Let's look at the answer. 27 dismissals in 12 matches, with 26
World Cup,
caught
huh?
and 1 stumped. This was in the 1988-1999 Carlton and United series, which was
Okay.
between Australia, England, Sri Lanka, and Australia.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yes. Let's go to question number 10. Which Indian player has the highest strike rate in an innings, in an ODI inning, with minimum 30 runs?
Yes, strike rate
Indian
minimum
player,
30.
minimum 30 runs. That is the point.
Recently only should be power hitting. So I'll go Hardik Pandya.
The answer is wrong. It is not Hardik Pandya.
Krunal Pandya.
It is not Krunal Pandya. The question goes to Ashu.
Yusuf Pathan.
No, it is not Yusuf Pathan. The question goes to Aryan.
In ODI cricket.
In ODI cricket, minimum 30 runs. All your speculations are in the right, and like you're thinking the right direction. It's not like big ones, but minimum
Is it
30 runs.
Irfan Pathan?
No, it is not Irfan Pathan. Now the question is for 5 points. The player is not an all-rounder. It's a proper bowler.
Oh.
It's a proper bowler, and the question goes back to Rohan.
Zahir Khan.
It is Zahir Khan. The correct answer is Zahir Khan.
34 not out. That one his highest score.
32
5
runs
sixes.
at a strike rate of 290.9.
Jodhpur. No.
Yes. Was it in Jodhpur? Yes, it was in Jodhpur versus Zimbabwe.
Henry Olanga ko
Okay.
5-6 mark.
So that is the end. So here I again had a bonus question. Let's go to the bonus question for ODI. This is for 20 points. Same question, but it's not Indian player. It is not and 30 runs. It is minimum 100 runs. Which player has the highest strike rate in ODI cricket history with minimum
India.
100 runs?
For India.
Not Indian, any player in the world. So you can go now. You can think about the biggest hitters and everything. All the Pandyas and the Pathans and. For some reason, all 4 of you said only brothers: Hardik, Krunal, Irfan, and Yusuf.
I think
Okay, now the last answer was answered by who gave the last answer?
I gave.
Rohan.
Ashu, you gave, right?
Rohan.
Rohan.
I gave.
So it is with Shankar, sir.
Minimum 100.
Which player
Minimum
has the
100
highest-
runs. Sorry, Shankar, sir. What was the answer? Did you say something?
No. Which player has the highest strike rate in inning? Minimum 100 runs.
Minimum 100 runs.
means
Above, that is, he must have scored a century and above.
Yeah, he must have scored a century and above. See, the thing is, strike rate can be 1 ball 6 run also with 600, but that doesn't make sense. So, which player has the highest strike rate while also have scored more than 100 runs? And to make it interesting, considering this 1 ball 6 run 600 run strike rates, this person comes in the top 5 of the strike rate list, even after scoring 100. So that is an interesting point. And no, this is not the hint. So इसमें hint का मतलब नहीं. Even after hint, I'm not going to deduct points for this question. So you can go
Is
with
it-
it.
Is it Martin Guptill?
No, it is not Martin Guptill. The question goes to Ashu.
Maxwell.
No, it is not Glenn Maxwell. The question goes to Rohan. Sorry, the question goes to Aryan.
Is it Bevan?
No, it is not Michael Bevan. The question goes to Rohan.
Abraham Benjamin de Villiers.
It is Abraham Benjamin de Villiers. The correct answer is Abraham Benjamin de Villiers. This guy
That is
scored
49. Okay.
338 with 16 sixes. The guy went crazy. So with that, we have come to the end of edition 1 of Cricket Quizzes. So let's look at the score at the end. So in round 3, Ashu scored 40 points. Aryan got 10 points. Rohan got 55 points, thanks to the 20 points at the end. And Shankar sir did not get any point in the last round. Oh, so I've gotten updates by default. So who do you think is the winner?
Rohan, because he
Rohan.
over-
Yes, Rohan is the winner. Rohan is the winner with 118 points.
Oh.
Second is Ashu with 108 points, lost by one question. If you had gotten one question here and there, he would have been very close.
Ashu is leading.
Third
point
is
lagaya.
Aryan with 35. Fourth is Shankar sir with 30 points. So guys, how did you like the quiz?
nice, informative, very informative.
Like at least I tried. Like if it is tough, then maybe some informative in that question. And some questions
No.
it was purely fan service.
Especially, who is this? Nepal and Maldives,
Bhutan.
Bhutan kind of
Maldives.
question. Where Mari level ma?
I had to add like the thing that I added because in the entire history of T20, he is the only guy to get out as retired out. In Test, it is Jayawardene and Dattapattu, but in T20, he was the only guy to ever get out in that fashion. So that's how it came to be a unique on that part.
So
Okay, here's another like a bonus question, no points whatsoever on the quiz. Which player? I think I have asked this in my Instagram questions once. Which player in his entire career has never faced 100 balls and scored a lot of runs? Never
Lot of
faced
runs in the
100 balls.
sense? Lot of runs in the sense.
I think above 5,000 runs has scored in ODI cricket, but never faced 100 balls.
5,000 runs.
Above 5,000 runs he has scored, but let me just quickly verify how many runs he has scored. But definitely over that, I feel. But never faced 100 balls in his career.
Whom are you asking this?
Anyone, you can just discuss.
Boom boom.
Harbhajan,
It is boom boom. It is Shahid Afridi. Guy never faced 100 balls.
Hey, I was thinking in his whole career. I was thinking in his whole career.
In his whole career, yes.
In each
ODI
innings.
cricket.
No,
overall.
no. I was thinking in his whole career he hasn't faced 100 deliveries.
Oh no. In an inning I meant, but has never
inning.
faced
Oh.
100 deliveries.
okay.
My bad, guys. I should have clarified that, but it
Yeah.
is Shahid Afridi. I think the highest ball that guy has faced is 96 or something in his career. Highest. So with that, we have come to the end of our first edition. Thank you so much, guys. We'll set up more quizzes, and the winner gets all the love of my heart and all the well wishes to get well soon.
Hamper.
As a hamper.
Hope you the best.
Oh, hey, dude, you are winning. See, the thing is, only you are using that tactic. Aryan, no one else used that tactic to get more points. You are winning already. How will I give you more points?
No. It's just because you are given in that initial slide to mention that every time.
See, I would have actually given points, but no one used that tactic, so I can't help it. You could have used. You could have gotten extra, especially Ashu. एक बार बोल दिया तो मेरे को 10 पॉइंट दे दिया होता यार. You would have had a chance to win.
अरे तुम जीपे नंबर दो.
ये देखो मैं तारीफ करने बोल रहा हूँ ये ब्राइबरी पे आ गया ये. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for being a part.
Thank you.
There'll be more additions. I'll get more people. It will be fun. Thank you so much for being a part, guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you, man. Fun.
Have a good day.